Let's make a naan like this, restaurant style. 3 ways: garlic naan, butter naan, and a cheese naan. Just melts at your mouth. Please see the whole video. Let's make the naan together, the restaurant style. By this recipe, you can make 6 naans. So first, onto a bowl, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, sugar 2 tablespoons, baking powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon, and combine well. Make a well at the center of the flour. Add 1 cup of yogurt and an egg. Oil 2 tablespoons. Again, combine well with the spoon. Let it incorporate well. It will be like this. Add 3 tablespoons of milk, but batch by batch may have a change in when you make it. Transfer to a clean surface and knead the dough. Make sure you knead it a lot of times to make it soft. Apply some oil on your hand and knead again. The good thing is now it won't stick on your hand and the dough will be more smoother. Like this, make the dough softer and knead. Add some oil to the same bowl and spread it everywhere. Add the dough at the center. Drizzle some oil to the dough and massage it all over. Cover with a plate and rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the plate. Make some balls. Like this, from the bottom you push it to the front and make a smooth ball like this. You can make 6 balls. So we are making 2 naans each. On a thick skillet, make it hot. Drizzle the balls with oil. Give a quick massage and press it down. I am using my hands to flatten the dough. You can use a pin to flatten it. Make a shape of a naan, an oval oblong shape. You can make like this also, traditional way how to make a naan and shaping. Place on the hot skillet. Don't touch them. Let it bubble. And flip it back. And brush some butter for a beautiful butter naan. Sizzling like this. For a garlic butter naan, melt some butter. Add some fine chopped garlic and some cilantro. Same process how you done the naan, and apply the garlic butter on the naan, you will get a beautiful garlic naan. Now let's go to the cheese naan. Same process how we done it. Flatten the dough, place the cheese at the center, fold the dough like a money bag, and make it into a ball. Drizzle oil on the top and massage. Flatten the dough using your hand. I am making this cheese bread in a round shape and cook on a hot skillet like this and apply the garlic butter. You will get a nice cheese naan. See how gooey is this one? Masala cheese. And a great flavor. Masala, garlic, butter, the cilantro, the perfect naan recipe. Enjoy and eat. And if you like it, please try it. And if you like it, share it, comment it, and support me by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.